Alright, in this video we are going to demonstrate the different axes of our Work Center 300 and 301. They are Tsugami B0 385 and an S205. They are identical in the number of axes they have, which is 7, and what those axes are. I want to point out this little diagram right here. It's very helpful for jogging and handling, and also offset adjustments other than this X1. That only applies to handling or jogging. Otherwise, the machine's going to react, as you'll see coming up here in the video. Okay, so first off, we're going to demonstrate the X-axis on the main spindle. You're going to see tool number 7 get called up and move into position. Now the next move you're going to see is an X minus move that's going to bring the tool to X0. X0 is the center of the bar stock, okay? And that is for any tool. Next you'll see the tool back off to a diameter of 1 inch. Now a Z positive move, which is always the material being fed into the tools, okay? Z negative will always pull the material back into the guide bushing. Next we're going to show another tool, tool number 23, come into position. And this is going to be what I was talking about on that diagram, that right now it's going to make an X minus move, which is different than what's shown on that diagram, but X minus will always bring you closer to center of the bar stock. Right now it's at a diameter of 0.5. And we're going to send it to the home position, or U0. And next we're going to call up a live tool. Tool number 3 in this case. This would be used for either side milling or side drilling. We're going to showcase here a C positive move. And the next move you're going to see is a C negative move. And then back to home position. And we're going to bring the gang slide up here. So now that shows all the different axes on spindle 1, X, Z, Y, which is the up and down motion of the gang slide, and C. Now we're going to turn our attention to the sub spindle. The first move that you're going to see is going to be right here, a C positive direction move, and then a C minus direction. Now one thing I should point out, that the rotation of the spindles is not considered an axis. It's the ability to monitor that position so as to do milling work on them. Just simply spinning is not considered an axis. So now we're going to call that tool up into position on a turning tool. Now this move that you're going to see here is a move in the negative direction. This is moving in the negative direction, which is opposite of spindle 1, because negative is going to bring your tool further into the material. Right there, it's 10 thousandths in front of the part in Z. Next move, you'll see it go back 300 thousandths in Z. Then back out in front. And then we're going to show you an X minus move, which will bring it to X0, which again is center of the stock for your part. Now we got a home position. And there you have it. There's all the different axes of the Tsugami B0 385 and S205.